the easiest way to cut a watermelon, quick, clean, and hassle-free. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Watermelon is a must-have in summer. It's cool, refreshing, and perfect for entertaining guests. But many people find it inconvenient after cutting the watermelon. It's difficult to hold, the juice spills all over their hands, and it doesn't look appealing when eaten. So today, I'm going to share a few ways to neatly cut watermelon. No dirty hands, no dripping juice. Beautiful presentation, very polite when serving guests. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, cut the watermelon in half. Ripe, juicy melons that split open with just a touch of the knife. They look so appealing. If you want to know how to choose a delicious, sweet, and juicy watermelon, check out more tutorial videos on my channel. Now, flip the watermelon in half onto the plate and continue. Here's the first cutting method, the grid method. We cut the melon into long, slightly thick slices. Actually, the size can be adjusted depending on the number of people in the family. If there are many young children in the house, you should cut the pieces into smaller pieces so that they can easily bite into them while eating without worrying about them running around and getting their hands dirty. Next, cut across to create a lattice pattern. The watermelon hardly releases any juice after cutting. It's also very convenient to eat. Just cut the rind and take out individual pieces. Isn't that convenient? This method is especially suitable when the whole family is sitting together, eating watermelon, chatting, and watching a show. No need for lengthy cutting, no fear of missing any stories, no worries about getting your hands dirty, and no watermelon juice spilling out. Each bite consists of 2 or 3 pieces, finishing the inside and leaving only the shell. Neat and no waste. This is a great way to enjoy it with your family. You can give it a try. The second method, cutting into rabbit ear shapes. First, cut the melon slice in half. Cut off both ends of the 2 slices of melon. Next, cut the melon into bite-sized pieces. Trim away some of the white flesh to make shaping easier. Place the watermelon rind on a cutting board. Use a knife to cut 2 diagonal lines from the middle outwards to create a V shape, following the instructions in the video. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After arranging the melon pieces on a plate, you can place this decorative element in the center or use it as a garnish alongside another plate of melon. It looks very appealing. That's the third way to cut geometric shapes, triangles. We cut the melon into circles. Then cut it into 7 to 8 equal pieces with crisscrossing cuts. You just need to cut to your desired size. Take a slice, trim each corner of the melon rind neatly, then cut off the 2 excess edges. Finally, keep the inner part and eat it directly. The way it's held is very neat and clean, and the shape is also very beautiful. Arrange the pieces neatly on the plate. It looks very nice when served to guests. I believe children will like this way too. Hold it in your hand like an ice cream cone. In the summer, children love eating ice cream, but eating too much isn't good. So why not cut a slice of watermelon for them like this? Learn this cutting technique. The kids will love it, and there won't be any more watermelon juice dripping all over their faces. Method 4. Cutting into heart shapes. Cut the watermelon in half. Then cut it in half again, creating a crescent shape. Next, separate the pulp from the peel. Next, adjust the edges slightly, using a knife to smooth them out. Do the same on both sides. Now, take the slice of watermelon at the bottom center, cut a small groove. This will give you the basic shape. Place it on a cutting board and cut it into small pieces. Rearrange and arrange on a plate. A plate of watermelon filled with love is now complete. This is perfect for special days, special occasions. You can cut a plate for your loved one, adding a touch of romance. Isn't that great? Fifth method, cutting into boat shapes. We also cut the melon into crescent shapes. Then separate the flesh from the rind and cut the melon flesh into thin slices. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Finally, simply arrange the watermelon slices alternately. The watermelon boat cut looks very beautiful. In many places, people use watermelon boats as fruit trays, but this method is simpler. The melon boat is ready. You can use a toothpick or simply eat it with your hands. When guests arrive, arrange these boats on a plate. It's both beautiful and elegant. Now, we come to the final method, dicing. the watermelon in half. Next, separate the peel from the pulp. Choose any edge and begin cutting. Cut the melon into equal-sized pieces. Cut one side, then switch to the other side. All 3 sides should be cut the same way. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. This way, you'll have small square pieces like pomegranate seeds. That's why we call it dicing. The size is also just right for eating. We can use toothpicks or small forks to eat directly. Eat one bite at a time, no worries about getting food all over your face. Isn't that convenient? If you have close friends at home, you can simply arrange the cucumber on a plate and eat it with a toothpick or fork. It's very polite and convenient. Next time you eat watermelon, try my way. It's convenient and fun. If you have a better way to cut watermelon, feel free to share it in the comments. Okay, that's all for today. If my video was helpful to you, don't forget to like and share. I hope to help even more people. Click on my video's thumbnail to see more food and life tips. We share interesting videos every day. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.